Question number 1. Which country is the largest by land area in South America? Brazil. What is the study of earthquakes called? Seismology. Question number 3. Match the following countries with their capitals. तो केन्या का कैपिटल होता है नैरोबी और मोरक्को का कैपिटल है रबात। तो इससे आपका ऑप्शन बन जाता है ऑप्शन सी। Question number 4. Which civil rights leader gave the famous I Have a Dream speech? Martin King Jr. Question number 5. Which river flows through Grand Canyon, Colorado? Question number 6. Bank rate is the rate at which the Reserve Bank of India gives credit to the commercial banks. Option A. Who drafted the Declaration of American Independence? Thomas Jefferson. Who was known as the Grand Old Man of India? Dadabhai Naoroji. Who is known as the Queen of Pop? Correct answer option C. Question number 10. Which is the only country in the modern world that does not have a rectangular or square national flag? Nepal. Which is the last language to be found on the language panel of Indian currency note, Urdu? Question number 12. What is the largest lake in Africa? Lake Victoria. Marcus Brutus is a Shakespearean character in which play Julius Caesar? Question number 14. Who was the first person to climb Mount Everest without oxygen? Is correct answer option B. Question number 15. Five member states which can do veto decisions made by the United Nations Security Council are China, France, Russia, UK and the US. Question number 16. Which Mughal emperor was the father of Jahanara Begum? Shah Jahan. Then next, Home Rule movement was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 18. Where did the first FIFA World Cup take place? Uruguay. Shah Rukh Khan suffered from which disorder in the film My Name is Khan? Asperger's syndrome. Question number 20. Which country is known as the lungs of the earth? Brazil. What was the name of the nuclear disaster that occurred in Ukraine in 1986? Chernobyl disaster. Question number 22. Which animal has the largest brain of any creature on earth? Sperm whale. Who was the Prime Minister of India when the Pokhran second nuclear tests were conducted? Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Question number 24. Raisana Hill is located in New Delhi. Question number 25. Who was the first Prime Minister of India to die in office? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 26. Name the movement started in 1970s by the mountain women of North India who hugged trees to save them from being cut down. Chipko movement. The headquarters of IMF and World Bank are located in both Washington DC. What does SUV stand for? Sports Utility Vehicle. Question number 29. Which organization aims to promote sustainable management for the world's forest? FAO. Question number 30. Who is known as the Greek god of the Bollywood? Hrithik Roshan. Which is the most spoken language in the world among the Indians after Hindi? Bengali. Question number 32. Who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations? Correct answer option B. Who was the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer option A. Question number 34. What is the name of the smallest bone in the human body? Correct answer option C. Question number 35. Earth Day is celebrated on April 22. The famous statue of Christ or the Redeemer is situated in Rio de Janeiro. Question number 37. Which city experienced a devastating earthquake in 2011 resulting in the nuclear crisis due to damage to nuclear reactors? Correct answer है A. Then which actor played the iconic character of James Bond in The Longest Tenure? Correct answer option A. Next question. Hepatitis B is a potentially life-threatening infection of liver. Which planet is known as red planet? Mars. Then उसके बाद आपकी इंग्लिश का पार्ट शुरू होता है जो अभी सर सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हमने रीजनिंग शुरू कर दी. रीजनिंग हमने पूरी सॉल्व कर ली थी. So question number 71 कहता है three members of a family was 24 5 years ago. At present the average age is 22 with a new member in the family. Find the age of the new member. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है आपका 1 year. Question number 72. A bus travels for 7 hours. The first half at 30 km per hour and the second half at 40 km per hour. Find the distance to 40 km. Question number 73. A case contains 230 rice bags and 145 were not broken. What is the percentage of rice bags were broken? 36.95%. Find the compound interest on rupees 15,000 for 2 years at 8% per annum. इसका करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी. Question number 75. In an examination, 40% of the student failed in math, 30% in English and 20% in both the subjects. Find the percentage of students who passed in both the subjects. The correct answer है 40%. Then find that the ratio between two number is 3:4. If each number is increased by 3, the ratio becomes 4:5. Find the numbers. तो वो दो नंबर हैं 9 and 12. If the cost price of 18 apple is same as the selling price of 16 apple, find the profit percentage. 12.5%. Three candidates contested an election and received the following votes. What percent of the total votes did the winning candidate get? 57%. Find the odd one out in the following series. तो इसमें आपका आंसर बनेगा 50. Together Chotu and Nitu plow a field in 4 days. Nitu can alone take 6 days to plow the field. In how many days can Chotu alone do this work? तो उसे 8 दिन लगेंगे. Question number 81. Human Rights Day is observed on 10th of December due to adoption of the UDHR. Question number 82. RTA Foundation Union of India is an important case related to marital rape. Recently, which state legislature has enacted the Uniform Civil Code? Uttarakhand. Question number 85. Pendente light means, तो इसका मीनिंग होता है while the case is pending. What is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha as prescribed by the Constitution? तो इसके सारे ही ऑप्शन गलत हैं आपके, तो इसका आंसर वैसे 550 मेंबर्स होने चाहिए. X87 में मीनिंग पूछी है, तो इसकी मीनिंग थी लेट द बायर बीवेयर. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 88 में हमें केस दिया गया था. देन व्हाट आर दी कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ दिस केस? तो इट इज़ अ केस ऑफ स्ट्रिक्ट लायबिलिटी ऑन सारा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 89. हु वाज द फर्स्ट चीफ इंफॉर्मेशन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया? वजाहत हबीबुल्ला. क्वेश्चन नंबर 90. असर्शन रीजन. तो इसमें आपका असर्शन फॉल्स है बट रीजन ट्रू है. इसमें असर्शन ट्रू है, रीजन फॉल्स है. ऑप्शन सी होगा इसका. क्वेश्चन नंबर 91. विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डील्स विद द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ हाई कोर्ट्स? आर्टिकल 214. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 92 में आपका आंसर होगा द एग्रीमेंट इज वॉइड बिकॉज इट वॉज अ रिस्ट्रेंट ऑफ मैरिज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 93. व्हाट इज द लीगल डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ रिस्पोंडेंट सुपीरियर इन टोर्ट लॉ? व्हेन बोथ द प्लांटिफ एंड द रिस्पोंडेंट आर लायबल, रिस्पोंडेंट पेज द डैमेजेस. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 94. फाइंड द ऑड वन आउट. तो इसमें आपका ऑड वन आउट है ह्यूमन राइट्स काउंसिल. ऑप्शन बी. Number 95. Doctrine of frustration is associated with contract law. What is the meaning of the maxim? The correct answer is no person can be a judge in his own house. Question number 97. What is a cause list? A list of matters to be heard by the court on any day. And which constitutional article defines provision in respect of financial emergency? Article 360. Question number 99. The main objective of UNFCCC is to stabilize greenhouse gas concentration in the atmosphere. Question number 100. इसमें करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. Question number 101. The principle of triple talaq was held unconstitutional by the Supreme Court in the case of Muhammad Ahmad Khan and Shah Banu Begum. Question number 102. Stockholm Convention aims to conserve and sustainably manage wetlands. Next question. Testator means a person who makes a will. Which of the following is the oldest high court in India? High Court of Calcutta. FSSAI regulates the manufacture, storage, distribution and sales of food articles in India. The International Criminal Court is established by the Rome State. Question number 107. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the liability of a state? Article 300. Next question. Electronic or digital records will have the same legal effect as per the records as per भारतीय शक्तियाँ अधिनियम. Question number 109. भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023 adds new offices. One of them is terrorism. Number 110. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए. Question number 111. How many non-permanent members are there in the UN Security Council? 10. भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता mandates forensic investigation for offences punishable with at least 7 years. Perjury in law means intentionally making false statement in the court of law. India is not a party to which of the following international treaty? International Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Racial Discrimination. General Data Protection Regulation is the law on data protection of the European Union. Where is the European Court of Human Rights located? Correct answer option C. Then question number 117. इसका correct answer है option A. Next, who is authorized to initiate the process of impeachment of the President of India? Either House of Parliament. Then the case relating to electoral bond is People's Union for Democratic Reforms versus Election Commission of India. Question number 120. Who can be the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission of India? One who has been a judge of Supreme Court. Next, a high-level panel headed by Ramnath Kovind has been recommended roadmap for simultaneous elections in India. Next question. In March 2024, the legislators of United States passed a bill that could potentially lead to the banning of popular social media app TikTok in the country. Next question. Who is the leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha? Mallikarjun Kharge. Question number 124. Which football team won the Champions League in 2023? Real Madrid. Recently, which state has signed an MOU on artificial intelligence with Google? Maharashtra. Question number 126. Erdogan was elected as the president of Turkey in 2023. Next question. Where is India's first food museum launched? Correct answer option D. Who is not a member of the Election Commission of India? Arun Goel. Next question. The cheetahs of the project Cheetah were bought from South Africa, Namibia. The Earth Hour event is a global annual initiative of which institution? WWF. Name the famous Indian ghazal and playback singer who passed away in February 2024. Pankaj Udas. Next question. Abhijit Vinayak Banerjee, an Indian-born naturalized American economist who won the Nobel Prize in 2019, is a professor at MIT. Who is the current chairperson of the Commission for Women? Rekha Sharma. Next question क्या था? Who has been selected as the torchbearer for the 2024 Paris Olympics? Abhinav Bindra. Imran Khan is the founder of which political party? Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. Next question. Which animated film won the Best Animated Film feature film at Oscars 2024? The Boy and the Heron. Next question. Kavach technology is related to railways. FAME India scheme is related to automobiles. Next question. Bard is the name of the artificial intelligence based chatbot developed by Google. Who is the present Chief Minister of Assam? Himant Biswa Sarma. Haryana has emerged as victorious in the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2023-2024. Question number 142. Which company has developed Just Walk Out, a cashier-less shopping technology? Amazon. Next question. Who won the Best Actor Award at Oscars 2024? Cillian Murphy. Question number 144. Hambantota Port is located in which country? Sri Lanka. Name the German football legend, winner of the FIFA World Cup as a player and a head coach who passed away recently was? Correct answer option C. Next question. Nepal became the first South Asian nation to register same-sex marriage. Next question. Who is the founder of OpenAI? Sam Altman. Which city will be developed as India's first AI city? Lucknow. Next question. According to the recent reports of Forbes, which is the strongest currency in the world? Kuwaiti dinar. Who is the Chief of Defense of Staff of India? Anil Chauhan.